Actually, there we go.
Welcome to Nebraska summer. It's not even summer fucking yet.
I'm used to worse than this.
Singapore. It's not even summer yet.
It's fun.
I know.
Shut up, Alex.
Fuck you.
Poor Alex.
What was that you said that you were crouching? What was that you said that while you were crouching?
Hey, hold on.
Like baseball it.
Nobody could see you?
Let's go Pikachu.
Just like
Yeah.
Pikachu.
Go. Hey. Brandon.
Your mother.
You have a magnified scope.
Yes.
Watch them.
I do.
What do you mean I'm stuck back here?
Yes, you're scouting them right now with your magnified scope.
So are we looping around that way?
No, we're
Me too. We're following Alex.
Here. You want the melee guys to carry this stuff and you guys cover us?
Yeah, that works better.
Brandon, you want to carry that? Play your tactic Pikachu with?
Sure.
We should have brought the mortar.
Alex. He's asking questions about Alex.
Alright, Pikachu, how you doing there?
Which one?
There we go. Extended range.
Halberd. It's a halberd.
So he traded it.
It doesn't fit. Don't worry. Jesus Christ, man.
I'm dying.
Blow the horn already. Ah.
I want ice cream.
I want to be sitting in the pool.
Seriously?
Like popping 20 allergy pills.
Kiss with their goggles.
There we go. Alright, so we're following you guys?
See, where these guys go?
I'm ready. I'm ready to run.
Alright,
This way.
I'm following you then. Jesus Christ, this is thick vegetation.
Oh, pretty bleeding.
We'll just sit there. Alright, we need to wait. Why is everybody? We need people to go that way too.
Yeah, just wait here a little bit. Let them move up.
Oh, my arm.
Wait till we look up.
I can see you. Yeah, hey.
I know. Move up.
Ah.
Let's go.
Hopefully when they attack him from the front, when they attack him from the side, there'll be nothing they can do about it.
Sorry, I keep poking you in the ass with this thing.
No homo.
Yeah, no homo though.
Take the top of that hill.
Yeah, there's. I think it might. Let's see it. Really hope I get a kill with this. What?
Wait, is there an objective back there? I'm on Garand.
I don't know. I don't think that's it.
Are you serious?
What? What?
Alright, hurry up.
Oh my god.
What?
It's you.
Come on.
It's obliterated.
We gotta move up. Isn't that our objective right there?
I don't remember if it's that one or the next
I'm
one.
following this guy.
Alright.
Sorry about that. Why do you have the flag?
Yeah, why are you following him? Come on.
We have to get the trench. The trench. There's two guys in front of us.
Fucking hell. Are you out?
Yeah, I'm looking. No, I'm not out. I'm looking for a stick.
I have it.
You have this? No, the wood stick. Oh, you sneaky bastard. Did you get hit?
No.
What?
It's at the objective right there. I think it is.
Alright.
I almost got hit. I got spotted over there.
Alright. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna run for it right now.
I don't know, because they have eyes all over it. We should probably try to go behind it first.
No.
Right there. Ask for cover. We need cover.
Hey! Covering fire.
Wait, is this the objective here?
Yeah. Shh.
Okay.
I know we're here now. Back off.
Come on, we need cover and fire.
Covering fire.
Okay, that dude's hit. That's good. Make it. What do you say? Ow, hit! Fuck.
Take it or do you have it?
No, anyone can take it. I knew that was the wrong one. Is this an infinite respawn or do I have to wait?
Yeah, I think you don't have to wait. He's just resting.
They have one.
Okay. I don't think they do have one life.
I'm the objective guy. I gotta run. Brandon, you wanna be objective guy? Fuck that. Here.
Let's try to look around here. There seems to be less people.
Alright. Fuck it.
We're all gonna be on that hill when we reach the Watch out for thorns.
Yeah. Pikachu, shit. Pikachu, no.
What's the full? Oh yeah, the full pick.
Go, Brandon.
Don't have good traction. Okay. What? What?
It's dangerous as fuck.
Seriously. You can at least like add in steps to it so you don't slide on it. I think I might just loop around this way. Okay. Around the hill. That is a hole. You don't want to step in that and get anything mad. Fuck. You got me.
Alright.
Damn it. I was there for like 5 minutes.